Yo, I'm never taking an online paid survey again. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer now. Online paid surveys, all right? They've been around for many years. I've got many videos talking about, paid surveys. Now, me personally, I am never going to take an online paid survey again, unless they paying like $1,000 for a survey. But other than that, nah. And here's why. All right, now, I'll be the first to admit, 10, 15 years ago, whenever you were to search online, like ways to make money online, or I want to make money online, you will always see like surveys pop up at some point. You know what I'm saying? Even on YouTube, Google, you'll see like all these survey sites and survey companies. And they were always advertised to be like a full-time job, even a part-time job income, right? Always advertised to be like, you want to earn $2,000 a month taking surveys, you want to earn some extra cash, blah, 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 right? So paid surveys became very popular, all right? Now, when all the smoke cleared, right, and the years went by, people started to really realize, like, wait a damn minute. You can't make no real money just taking online surveys. It seemed like it took years for that to really sink into people. Now, when you really think about paid surveys, think about the people that actually come across taking paid surveys. These are people who are looking for ways to make money online or looking for ways to earn extra cash. And in most cases, these people are looking for at least, right, an extra $500 a month, right? An extra $1,000 a month, right? So if you are one of these people who are looking for a way to earn, $500 a month or $1,000 a month, and you come across paid surveys, you're wasting your time, straight up, because you're not going to make $500. I mean, that shit just ain't gonna happen. You have to understand that there's tons of these online paid survey sites out there, but like ultimately, you're gonna be getting paid $2, maybe $5 to take a survey. And keep in mind, if you're taking a $5 survey, most likely that survey is gonna be like a 45-minute survey. So if you're the type of person who's looking to make that type of money, $500,000, couple $1,000s, like, why would you waste your time on something that's only gonna make you maybe an extra $50 to $100 a month? And that's if you actually put time in. So the effort that you gotta put in on these paid surveys to make an extra $50 to $100, you could be taking that time and putting it in a million other places that can make you way more money. And that's just a fact. I've done so many videos on paid survey sites, and one of the best, in my opinion, is a site called Paid Viewpoint, right? Paid Viewpoint, I made almost like $300 from Paid Viewpoint, right? Cool little site. They legit, they really pay money, right? They pay to your PayPal, and they cool, real easy, right? But you can't make no money off that shit. Like, you can't make real money off that. Like, I made around $300 for the lifetime of me paying with Paid Viewpoint. So now I actually still get paid off of Paid Viewpoint, but it's just because of my referrals. You will actually make more money referring people to surveys than you would actually taking surveys, right? Like, that's just the reality of it. So I'm never going to waste my time, not even 10 minutes, on a survey site when I could be taking that 10 minutes. Hell, I could be recording a video for YouTube with that 10 minutes. Are there legit paid survey sites out there? Absolutely, there are. Paid Viewpoint, one of them. But can you actually make like a significant amount of money from them? Hell no, right? Now, if you are somebody who just, for whatever reason, you are just looking for some super extra cash that at the end of the month, you know what I'm saying, you can go out to eat, or maybe even just pay your phone bill, then yeah, do paid surveys. And assuming that you got some time to kill, that you got time that you really, you know what I'm saying, you just bored, then cool. But I've learned throughout the years that most people that come across paid surveys are people that want to make a lot more money than just $50 to $100 a month.